That'll work. One down. What I have found that works best is get your piece, put it up there, and then mark on either side of it. That'll give you between the posts, and then you just do your angles off of that. Like that. So let me get these cut and we'll get another one up there. Yeah, perfect. I think that'll work. I think that will work. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a bunch of them at 8 inches, and then we should be able to just kind of measure and go. The key is to have a full 4 inch face right there, and then do your cuts. That seems to be working well. So I think I've got this cut for this one. Let's go see how everything fits up. Okay, let's see what we got. Uh-oh, I'm a little bit short back here. Why is that? Yeah, I think this one's a little bit short. 4 inches. Oh, this post is not square. That's why I was measuring every one of them. Yeah, it's like 4 or 4 1/4. That's why these aren't matching up. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, it's like 4 1/4. Dadgummit. Got ahead of myself. What do they say? Measure twice, cut once. Okay, that's what we're doing now. Much better when it's the right size. Well, both those are going to be too short. Hey. Yeah, note to self. Measure, 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 measure. All right, this is the size I need. So we'll make a few of these. I think my bag is way full. Holy cow. Well, let me go empty this. I'll do it that way. Leaves that wood. There's the problem. Okay. Let's see, I think I need one more.
Cut this one. There we go. There we go.
Oh, I think I got 4 of them here. Let's see how close we are. Yep, I think that'll work. I think that'll work. This ground is not level, or the floor is not level, so we're probably gonna have to put this together and then secure it to the post. And it'll be elevated probably just a little bit. Then we'll have to fill it with caulk, I guess. All right, so let me get these others cut, and then I'll come back with you at the end. No reason to watch me bore and cut all these, but I'll come back with you. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. Perfect. I think that's everything. All right, we're just sanding these down a little bit before we put them on. Knock off the rough edges.
Knock off any thistle marks.
I'm gonna have to do some more sanding once they go back on. Because I mean they're not exactly. I don't know. Just have to see. Just have to see. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these sanded up and a couple of them put together. That way she can get them painted and we'll get them on. So hang tight. We'll come back with you.
I put the numbers together. That's why I said. After I painted them. Remember I told you if it was 5 and 5, I had them together. Tight fit. Probably doesn't need nailed. It's so tight.
Okay, we got everything installed and everything sanded down, painted, and it turned out good. You can see that one there is up above. It's because the floor is not level. So we just left it like that. They're just for decoration. There's nothing there that's holding. So it turned out good though. We got the front porch and the back porch done.